Hello kids! Today we are going to learn something new. We are going to learn different shapes. Every day you see so many shapes around you. Do you want to learn about them? Come on! Square. You know where you have seen this? Sometimes you eat delicious slices of bread. This is in the square shape. Triangle. You must have seen samosas. Hot, delicious samosas. These samosas are in the triangle shape. Heart. Where have you seen this? Yes, you kids love blowing the balloon, which is in the heart shape. Oval. Where have you seen this? Yes, you all love eating eggs. Eggs are in the oval shape. Rectangle. You all love using the mobile phone. You all love to watch videos on it. So the mobile is in the rectangle shape. Diamond. Yes, you kids love flying the kite, which is in the diamond shape. Star. Where have you seen this? Yes, you've seen the star when you go to the beach. There is the starfish which swims in the ocean. It is in the star shape. Pentagon. Where have you seen this? When you go with your family to the bakery, there are so many different cakes. One of which is a cupcake and it is in the pentagon shape. Octagon. An octagon has 8 sides. You know where you have seen this? You kids love jumping on the trampoline. The trampoline is in the octagon shape. Hexagon. Hexagon has 6 sides. You know where you've seen this? While playing outdoors, you must have seen the honeybee flying towards its beehive. The beehive is made of small hexagon-shaped cells. Circle. Where have you seen this? You've seen it a lot. Every day when you wake up, you see the sun rising. The shape of the sun is a circle. All these different shapes. So much fun to learn about these. The next time we will learn something new. You and I will learn about the different 3D shapes.